In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a very useful and easy to grow herb that you can grow in your garden. Hi everyone and welcome to Fresh from My Garden. So this is a medicinal herb that is really easy to grow and many of you might already have this growing in your garden, and this is usually found around a lot of water bodies and in paddy fields very easily during the monsoon season. This is the Bringaraj plant, very beneficial for hair growth and to protect your hair from any sort of infections or scalp related problems like dandruff and hair loss. So, this is a plant that is found very commonly growing in paddy fields and near lakes and rivers in our hometown in Kerala. And we brought this from my hometown so that we can grow this, and we use this to prepare hair masks and hair oil. There are a lot of plants that are similar to this, and we can easily get confused. So, this is a plant which has these tiny white flowers and these leaves growing at opposite sides of the stem. You can see that it is in the form of a cross or a plus sign that these leaves are starting to form. And these leaves are really beneficial if you have any sort of problems related to your hair growth or scalp. So it helps to reduce dandruff, it helps to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. The leaves can be crushed to form a hair mask along with some aloe vera gel, and it can be applied to your hair to improve the condition of your hair growth and also to reduce any sort of dandruff or scalp related problems. And also to prepare an oil, this can be crushed well and the juice can be extracted and added to some coconut oil and boiled well to prepare a hair oil, which is also beneficial for hair growth. This plant is really easy to grow. I just brought one small tiny sapling from my hometown, and here you can see the result of this grow bag filled with this plant. I also have this plant growing in a few other containers. So once these flowers are formed and these flowers go to seed, those seeds will self propagate to grow a lot of new plants. So, this is mostly like a weed and it is seen growing in a lot of places. This plant doesn't require too much of care except that the soil likes to remain a little moist since it is a plant that grows around water bodies and paddy fields. And in addition to that, they also like a semi shade atmosphere more than too much of harsh direct sunlight. I have noticed that these plants grow very well when they are placed in semi shaded spots protected from the afternoon sun, and they get burnt when they are kept during the summertime in spots where they receive too much of sunlight. Apart from keeping the soil moist and keeping them in a semi shaded spot, these plants don't require too much of care, but they can get infected easily with mealybugs and the leaf curl disease. So you can use a neem oil spray or a chili garlic spray, and you can check those videos on my YouTube channel. So you can use these sprays to prevent these plants from getting infected or to get rid of any infection that it already has. So, this is a very easy to grow medicinal herb that has a lot of medicinal benefits in addition to being a great ingredient that is used in hair masks and hair oil. Hope you liked today's video. please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us. Once you subscribe, you will receive a notification of all the videos that we upload on our channel. Thanks for watching Fresh from My Garden.